Mathinic friends, welcome to our algebra adventure. Today, we're diving into something super important: variables, constants, and expressions. Don't worry, we'll keep it fun, quick, and easy to understand. Ready? Let's go. Imagine you have a magic box. You can put any number inside it, and the box keeps it safe. That magic box is called a variable. In math, a variable is just a symbol, usually a letter like x, y, or n, that can stand for any number. For example, if x equals 5, then x plus 3 equals 8. Easy, right? Now, not everything in math changes. Some numbers stay the same, forever. Those are called constants. Think of constants as the solid rocks in your equation. For example, in x plus 3, the number 3 is a constant because it never changes. Let's compare the two. Variables can change while constants stay the same. If math were a story, constants are the background, and variables are the main characters that can move around. Okay, now that we know variables and constants, let's mix them together. When we combine them using operations like plus, minus, times, or divide, we get an expression. For example, 2x plus 3 is an expression. It's like a recipe. Take 2 times whatever x is, then add 3. Yum! A tasty math recipe. Let's try one. If x equals 4, and our expression is 2x plus 3, then we plug it in. 2 times 4 plus 3. That's 10. 8 plus 3 equals 11. See? You just evaluated your first algebraic expression. Let's summarize what we learned. A variable can change, like x or y. A constant stays the same, like 3 or 10. An expression combines them with math operations, like 2x plus 3. And that's the foundation of algebra. You did awesome today. Next time, we'll explore how to simplify expressions and make algebra even easier. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss the next adventure. See you soon, Math Hero.